Let's review Fusio Scrub by Kerastase. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film I will be reviewing and showing you how to use the Fusio Scrub by Kerastase. So if you want to sit with me on this review, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? First of all, you guys, I want to thank you so much as I have reached over 10,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel and I couldn't have done without yous. And yeah, if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and help this channel grow. So to celebrate this, I decided I'm going to review the Fusio Scrub by Kerastase because I had so many questions about the scrub itself in the comment section. So I said, you know what, I'm going to get it and I'm going to review it. Fusio Dust was really designed to help your scalp concerns because loads of people have scalp concerns, whether it's flakiness, oiliness or dry scalp. It will also help with hair that gets dirty very quickly because as we all know, our hair gets dirty not because obviously our sebum produces oil and makes our hair oily, but also from the external pollution. So we have like pollution, we have weather, etc, etc, and that can actually make our hair worse. It can damage our hair and it can make our hair dirty because as we all know, we live in a world full of factories and loads of stuff that is bad for the environment and is bad for the air, and it pollutes the air and it pollutes our hair as well. Fusio Dust is really used to deep cleanse your hair and your scalp, giving them more volume, giving them more fresher, cleaner effect, and it will also help your scalp concerns. So you guys, with no further ado, let me talk about the first scrub. Scalp Energisant by Kerastase. So this scrub is brilliant for normal to oily hair. It is brilliant for thick hair, coarse hair, coily hair and curly hair, and it will provide your hair with long lasting freshness. It will deeply cleanse your scalp and your hair, it will refresh your scalp and it will give you a boost to your roots. It will combat oiliness, flakiness, dry scalp, and as well it's going to clear up build up from your scalp and any impurities. So on paper this sounds amazing. So let's have a look at it and let's open this up. It smells absolutely beautiful and we do have sea salt extract in this that it's used as a scrub. Sea salt will work as an exfoliant in this scrub. We also find vitamin B6 and salicylic acid that will protect your scalp. So this is very much for oily prone scalp and hair that is in a good condition. So this scrub is not suitable for anyone that has really damaged hair or hair that is prone to damage or that has fragile color. So let's say, see like my blonde bit, so if your hair is like bleached or highlighted, this scrub is probably too strong for your hair. I would probably recommend this scrub for anyone that has normal hair, so if you don't have any hair concerns or anything like that, because it is quite harsh. So if your scalp is slightly sensitive, this scrub probably wouldn't be for you. But like that, if you have flaky scalp or very oily scalp and your hair is normal, so there's no hair concerns, this scrub would be probably perfect for you. Moving on to the second scrub, and that scrub is Scrub Apaisant by Kerastase. So this scrub is perfect for normal to sensitive scalp. So if you have sensitive scalp, this is perfect. If you have dry hair, this is perfect because it will give you that soothing effect to your hair. So yeah, if your hair is damaged, if your scalp is slightly sensitive, so that will be tight scalp, it will be scalp that is sensitive, it will just soothe your scalp. This scrub will combat dryness and sensitivity of your scalp. As well as that, it will remove product buildup, and this scrub will clean your hair 22% better than a regular shampoo. So overall, scrubs are very much for cleaner, healthier scalp and hair, so your hair will feel really clean. And I remember when we got it in the salon, I tried it in my hair. Your hair just feels squeaky clean, but it's not like after using a clarifying shampoo that it's matted. It just feels really refreshed and clean, which is absolutely beautiful. This scrub will also give your hair 59.7% of volume to the roots, and the active ingredients found in this scrub are sweet orange peel that is used as a cleanser, and it will help to promote healthy hair growth. Vitamin B5 that promotes healthy scalp and healthy hair, and as well as we have madecasoides, which is an anti-inflammatory. So this scrub is perfect for anyone. So it is a very much a soothing scrub for all hair types and sensitive scalp. So if your scalp is anywhere sensitive and you have colored hair, bleached hair, highlighted hair, this scrub is for you. So let's open this up And like that, when it comes to the consistency, this one is a lot softer. And it is beautiful and sweet. Now they are very spa-like, they smell very spa-like, it's absolutely beautiful. So when we compare the two of them, we can see that this scrub is a lot thicker in consistency, so it will exfoliate your scalp more, when this one is a lot more gelier and softer. So I mean, sensitive scalp, normal hair, dry hair, this one is for you. Oily scalp, normal hair, coarse hair, this one is for you. So you guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go off camera and I'm gonna wet down my hair, and I'm gonna come back and I am actually gonna shampoo my hair using the scrub. So you guys, see you in a minute. Right you guys, and we are back. Now, few tips before we start shampooing it with the scrub. From what I remember, make sure your hair is saturated. And you only do one shampoo with the scrub. There's no need of doing 2 shampoos, so you just do 1 shampoo and you just get on with life and you just do your conditioner. So today I'll be actually using the scrub as apaisant. Oh, like Kerastase. Help me with this, will you? Because like that, my scalp, I mean, my scalp is not sensitive, but I mean, my hair is slightly dry on this side. I mean, it is sensitized hair, so I don't want to over scrub it, if that makes sense. And my hair does need a good scrub. So the way you would do this, right, is you'd apply a tiny bit of the scrub. So you really need, I'd say this is more than enough for your whole hair and your scalp. And you actually work that through and you start massaging it. And this will actually lather it up. So you work it through the hair first. So you need to really work that through. And do not panic if it's not going to lather up, because they say you should add water as you're going along. So I have a bit of water here, and this is actually very tricky to do it on camera, like, you know. So you just keep adding water as you're going and this will lather up. I'm going to take a tiny bit more water and just start working that through. And as you can see, the lather is coming through. So you will literally just scrub your hair as you normally would. So you just give it a good wash, and do you know what? It feels nice and comfortable on the scalp. It doesn't feel too harsh. I think the energisant, is that the one, the other one? I think I actually used that in my hair before when it first came out, and it was a lot more harsher on, well, not a lot harsher. It was just a lot stronger. Like, it was more cleanser, like exfoliant for the scalp. God, this is very messy washing your hair on camera. So you literally just scrub the scalp, just make sure it gets in everywhere, and as you can see, it's lathering up beautifully. So I think I just need a tiny bit more on the sides and just keep scrubbing that. The smell is absolutely gorgeous. It feels nice and comfortable on the scalp. It feels lovely. It doesn't feel harsh. You can definitely feel the little exfoliants going through it, but it's not overly harsh comparing to other scrubs. So you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go off camera and I'm going to rinse that off, and I am going to condition my hair, and we're going to come back and we're going to see if my hair feels 22% cleaner than using a regular shampoo. So you guys, see you in a minute. And we're back, you guys, after shampooing my hair and rinsing out the Fusio scrub by Kerastase. Now, I did condition my hair using Cica Flash from Blonde Absolute, which I absolutely adore. This is my go-to at the moment. But when it comes to this one, now the scent is absolutely beautiful. Now, it was definitely a lot easier using it in the shower. It was very hard doing it here. The minute I put the hose with the water over my head, it bubbled up even more. It sodded up more. For those who are going to ask me in the comment section, it's not sulfate free. There is sulfates in it, but it felt really comfortable on the scalp. Now, when it comes to my hair and my scalp, it does feel really, really clean. It does feel really refreshed without being dry. Because sometimes I find with the scrubs, like, it scrubs it so much and exfoliates so much that your hair is nearly overly clean, if that makes sense. But this just feels really, really nice. So what I'm going to do now, you guys, I'm going to put a bit of product in it. And today I'm going to use my Tsuki shaper from Shumera, because I am absolutely obsessed with this product recently. And if you'd like to see my review on that, I'm going to link it above here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to blow dry my hair. We're going to look at my hair after it's been washed with the scrub and blow dried, and we're gonna talk about the final results. So you guys, see you in a minute. Right, you guys, and we are back, and my hair actually looks brilliant today, doesn't it? And I actually just roughly blow dried it, so the scrub is good. The scrub made this look good. No, I'm only messing. So how did it feel? Now my hair does feel really clean. It does not feel weighed down, but it does not feel dry. The scalp feels really, really, really fresh. So overall, I am quite impressed, and I think like scrubbing your scalp is something everyone should do, because what if you don't have a healthy scalp? You will never have healthy hair. So let's recap on everything, starting with the scrub energizers. So this one is with sea salt, and it's for normal to oily scalp that has no concerns, it's not sensitive, and normal hair that has no hair concerns. So if your hair is just normal, use this one, and it's brilliant for oily scalp. It's going to cleanse the hair, etc, etc. If you have sensitive scalp, if you have dry hair, colored hair, this one is probably the best one for you, and it is absolutely beautiful. The scent is gorgeous. The hair feels a lot more cleaner, and it is a product you'd probably use maybe every other wash. It's not something you'd use all the time. So I mean, if you want to invest in a good scrub and exfoliate and scrub your scalp, let's say once a month, this one is definitely a go-to. Overall, I think the scrub is a hit. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please, 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 please take care. Bye.